Welcome. In this video, I briefly want to talk about what is a program in Solana, or what's a Solana program. So, is there any differences with it with smart contracts or so? Let's discuss in this video. Welcome, dear friend. I'm Solomon Foske, founder of dProgramming University, a free Web3 development education platform. Please note our content are for education purpose only, not financial, trading, investment, programming or development advice into any of the platform discussed. Always do your own research. And please, we may get sponsorship, partnership, token or whatever form during, before or after creating this content, but we try as much as possible to remain unbiased and make it educative. If that agreed on, let's get right into this content. Yeah, like we want to look at what is a program. So if you hear a program, to simply put it, depending if you have developed in EVM before, like Ethereum or something, that is what you already known as smart contracts. Yeah, smart contract. But Solana is a bit much deeper than that. So I will not just say smart contract. Instead, let's just say program or Solana program is a piece of code that executes on the blockchain, on the Solana blockchain. Yeah. So that's the major thing you need to keep in mind. So whenever you hear Solana program, that's a piece of code that executes on Solana blockchain. There are a lot of things attached, like account, address, a lot of things like that, which we won't go into. I just want to focus on the simple aspect. And when you try to visualize this, let's say this Solana blockchain, and inside there you can now begin to interact with different programs that make it to do specific things, like do transfer, create a new account, stake, vote, send token, SPL token to somebody. You understand what I'm saying? So you can look at each of these as doing specific things for you, or based on what the developer have. So you can have a kind of the one that allow you to vote, another that allow you to, create account, another that allow you to stake, understand? So each of them can perform different things, including gaming and things like that. So that's what Solana programs are. And in another coming video, we'll now break Solana program into different types, because they exist in different types. That's why I said Solana program can go a bit much deeper than just what you just call smart contract. But that's the simplest way to understand it. Solana program, the way smart contracts are those code you use to instruct what to be done when deployed to Ethereum or other EVM blockchain. So your Solana program also is used to instruct the Solana what is popularly known as the sea level, so which represent like the cluster of validators and things like that that make up the blockchain. So that's just the basic thing we want to talk about. Now you have an idea what a Solana program is. So if you are new, trying to learn the rope of developing on Solana, I'd like to hear your experience in the comment below as well. And if there are other things you would like to know, learning the rope, I focus on bit by bit of each of these and we'll be posting them. Like I said, in future video, I will be talking about types of Solana program. So we have a better understanding of these different types of Solana program and which of it and when you will likely need to use them based on what you want to achieve. So that's it. If you want to place, you can support the project using the donate link in the description to keep this project on and helping developers, Web3 developers with free technical content and courses and more. At the same time, like, share, subscribe, tap notification bell, and share your experience in the comments below. I remain Solomon Foske. I will see you in the next video. Keep the programming spirit and alive. And please always do good to humanity and nature with your programming and Web3 skill and not evil, to make the world and universe a better place for us all. See you and peace.